A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your English 1 class. In this class, we will be reading one of the most important chapters that are present there in your book, and that is Transformation of Sentences. And the name of the book, as you all know, Essentials of English Grammar and Compositions, right? So, the chapter is there in your book in page number 120. So I'll ask my students to please stay tuned to page number 120 and please proceed with me. Along with that, I'll ask you to have your copy and pen with you, because in this chapter you will find a lot of exercises are given which we need to answer, right? And I want you to answer with me. I'll be telling you all the answers, but when I will say, you all will write down in your copy. That will help you in solving the problem. So without delay, let us begin this chapter. This is quite a big one. So let us waste no more time and let us focus on the text. So as we know, sentences with or without adverb to, since it is given, why? Because see, transformation of sentences include many different sort of formulas to change the sentence from the given order to something else that we are asked to do. For example, if we are asked to omit the adverb, sometimes that we have to do. Sometimes we can be asked to convert the sentence from simple to complex, or vice versa, or sometimes complex to compound and vice versa, something like that. Sometimes we are asked to change the sentences using the degrees, and 3 degrees are there, as we know, that are positive, comparative and superlative. So that is also there. And sometimes we can be asked to change the sentence from assertive to negative, sometimes from assertive to interrogative, and then as affirmative, something like that. So there are different types. According to the instruction, we will be changing the sentences. So we will be learning here the rules, how to change the sentence, and then according to the instruction we will try to solve. So as we can see in the first segment, that is A, sentences with or without the adverb to. So study the following examples carefully. So this rod is too hot to touch. Okay, so if you are asked to omit to adverb, then what would you write? See, there is a rule. The rule is the rod is so hot that it cannot be touched, or the rod is so hot that I cannot touch it. Same. So if we just omit to and to, we have to replace it with so and then that. Okay. Then in three tenses this can take place. And according to this so, such, that is a sentence. It's of course is a complex sentence. The tense in the subordinate clause depends upon the tense in the main clause. So what is subordinate clause? What is main clause? Main clause stands out without any help, and subordinate clause needs a help to make a complete sense. So the subordinate clause will depend on the same tense that is there in the main clause. Okay, and to is simple, and when we are using so, that will become complex. So Three Idiots was too good a movie to miss. So the answer will be Three Idiots was such a good movie that I did not want to miss it. I shall be too busy tomorrow to receive any visitors. I shall be so busy tomorrow that I will not be able to receive any visitors. Okay, so keeping this rule in our mind, we are asked to complete exercise 1. Rewrite the following sentences removing the adverb to. So she is too clever to fall in your trap. So the answer will be she is so clever that she cannot fall in your trap. You will reach New York too late to get the connecting flight to Atlanta. You will reach New York so late that you will not be able to get the connecting flight to Atlanta. Your help came too late to be of any use to me. Your help came so late that it became of no use to me. I was too excited to think clearly. I was so excited that I did not think clearly. It was too good a proposal to reject. It was so good a proposal that nobody could reject it. The paper was too lengthy to complete in 3 hours. The paper was so lengthy that it could not get completed in 3 hours. Okay. Next comes exercise 2. Rewrite the following sentences using the adverb to. So first we are asked to remove adverb to. Now we are asked to rewrite the sentences using to. She is so miserly that she does not help anybody. She is too miserly to help anybody. Tomorrow I shall be busy. I shall be so busy that I shall not be able to spare time for you. Tomorrow I shall be too busy to spare time for you. You have performed so poorly that you do not deserve any promotion. You have performed too poor to deserve any promotion. This is such a serious trait that we should not ignore it. The threat is too serious to ignore. Sachin's achievements in cricket are so great that they cannot be suppressed easily. Sachin's achievements in cricket are too great to suppress. She was so grief-stricken that she could not speak any words. She was too grief-stricken to speak any words. Now, interchanging affirmative and negative. How can we interchange this? There is a rule. Suppose I admit that you have done your best and we are asked to make it negative. See, keep in your mind when we are asked to change it from positive to negative or according to the instruction, whatever, we cannot make the change of the meaning. We have to retain the meaning of the sentence, but we have to change according to the instruction. So, I admit that you have done your best. We can't write, I do not admit that. No, I am admitting. So, keeping this sense retained, you have to make it negative. So, we can use I do not deny that. I do not deny means I am admitting. So, you have to just use your brain. When we are asked to make the sense retained, but we are asked to change the mode of the sentence, we have to think. I admit means I do not deny. Understood? So, I do not deny that you have done your best. Another rule, you yourself wanted this transfer. You yourself wanted this transfer. So, we can write, didn't you yourself want this transfer? Tell me, the answer will be you yourself wanted. So, we are just making no change in the meaning of the sentence. Then only a beast could be so cruel. So, the answer will be none but a beast could be so cruel. We are making it negative, but the meaning is the same. Okay, only a beast could be so cruel means only the beast. So, the answer is none but. When we are using none but, it is becoming negative. So, there are 3 steps to make a sentence from positive to negative. What are they? Use a word of opposite meaning and then use another negative word. Means use of double negative. I do not deny. Double negative. Do not is one and deny is another. So, using double negative is the first rule. Second is what? Make the sentence both negative and interrogative. Aren't you? Okay, we are making it negative and interrogative both. That is another rule. And last is we can change from only to none but. Exercise 3, rewrite the following sentences in negative. So, I shall always remember this kindness of yours. I shall never forget. See, never forget, too negative. This kindness of yours. Only the brave deserve the fair. None but the brave deserve the fair. The beauty of this scene is beyond description. The beauty of this scene cannot be described. This 500 rupee note is all that I possess. I possess nothing but this 500 rupee note. She has proved true to her word. She has not proved false to her word. These prices are too exorbitant to accept. These prices are so exorbitant that I cannot accept it. Then rewrite the following sentences in affirmative. Okay. Hasn't she given an outstanding performance? She has given an outstanding performance. One cannot question her noble intentions. Her noble intentions are beyond any question. No other decision would have been acceptable to us. So the answer will be only this decision would have been acceptable to us. It does not matter if we fail. We are careless if we fail. We do not sell books other than prescribed text. We only sell prescribed texts. There is not a day when I do not miss my old school. I miss my old school every day. So the meaning is same, but we are just making in the mode of the sentence, making change in the mode of the sentence, right? So this is the rule. Now interchanging assertive and interrogative. How can we change from interrogative to assertive? Who can believe her story? Means there is a question mark. Who can believe? So we can write nobody can believe her story. Interrogative, shouldn't we show greater respect for our cultural heritage? Shouldn't we show? So the answer is yes, we show, right? So the answer is we should show, meaning it's the same thing, the meaning is the same. Interrogative, is this the way to treat our aged parents? Assertive, in assertive it will be, is this not the way? Means again the meaning is the same, to treat our aged parents. So there are two rules. What are they? Only those sentences in which the interrogative form has been used for the sake of emphasis can be changed into assertive form. An affirmative question implies a negative statement. A negative question implied an affirmative statement. Now we are asked to change the following sentences from interrogative to assertive. That we can do. Who are there to help me? Means there is no one. So the answer will be there is no one to help me. What have I done to upset you so much? I have done nothing to upset you so much. Can we ever expect a corruption-free society? We can expect a corruption-free society. Will our politicians ever discard the vote bank politics? Our politicians will never discard the vote bank politics. Why waste time in such silly arguments? No need to waste time in such silly arguments. What though we have lost this match? Nothing will happen even though we have lost this match. Then change the following sentences from assertive to interrogative. Everybody worships the rising sun. So the answer will be, who does not worship the rising sun? You should have consulted a specialist. Means, should you not have consulted a specialist? Nobody can bear such an insult. Who can bear such an insult? Question mark. When you are asked to make it interrogative, question mark is mandatory. Without that, your answer will be considered wrong. I can do anything to fulfill your dreams. What not I can do to fulfill your dreams? It was a really narrow escape. Was it not a narrow escape? Question mark. Interchanging exclamatory and assertive. So exclamatory, we all know the mark of exclamation is really important, and how can we make this from exclamatory to assertive? What a hilarious comedy. Then the exclamation mark is there. The answer will be, it is a hilarious comedy. How confidently she answered every question. She answered every question very confidently. If only my parents had been more understanding. I wish that my parents had been more understanding. Alas, the great leader has departed. I am so sad to know that the great leader has departed. So the rule is what? Since exclamatory sentences are spoken under the impact of a strong emotion, they have a word order slightly different from that of an assertive sentence. Obviously, the order is different, right? So they often begin with how, what, oh, that, would that, if only, alas, etc. While changing an exclamatory sentence into an assertive one, use the normal order of assertive sentence. So add some words suggestive to the original emotion. We can add some words that will go with the emotion, but we have to change the order from exclamatory to assertive. What an innocent smile the baby has. Means the baby has an innocent smile. How impressive was the Gallantry Awards presentation ceremony. The Gallantry Awards presentation ceremony was really impressive. Oh, that I were in a boarding school. I wish I were in a boarding school. If only we had no tension of examinations. I wish that we had no tension of examinations. What? You are also here? It is exciting that you are also here. To think that I would meet you here in the foreign land. I wish I would meet you here in this foreign land. Change the following sentences from assertive to exclamatory. Okay. So when we are changing this from assertive to exclamatory mark is mandatory. I am telling this. Our soldiers fought the stormy weather very bravely. How bravely our soldiers fought the stormy weather? I earnestly desire to be among my friends again. If only I be among my friends again. The new Hero motorbike was fabulous looks. How fabulous the new Hero motorbike looks. The sight of the snow-clad Himalayas was really awe-inspiring. What an awe-inspiring sight the snow-clad of Himalayas was! Exclamatory sign. I wish that my parents were here to support me. If only my parents were here to support me. It is a matter of great sorrow that Mr. Sharma has lost his only son. Alas. Then exclamation. Mr. Sharma has lost his only son. Then we will learn how we can change the degrees. So as we know, there are three forms of degree: superlative, comparative and positive. So what is superlative? The has to be there. Okay, the has to be there, and we will be using the superlative form of that adjective. For example, big, from big it will become biggest and the biggest. When we are using superlative, we have to use the before the superlative degree. It will become bigger in comparative, and in positive it will be the same, big. So Jupiter is the biggest planet. The answer that is given in superlative. What it will become in comparative? Jupiter is bigger. See, it is told Jupiter is the biggest planet. Biggest. It is the biggest planet. So Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. Positive, no other planet is as big as Jupiter. Superlative, the dog is one of the most faithful animals. Comparative, one of the is given. Okay, the dog is more faithful than many other or than most other animals. Positive, very few animals are as faithful as the dog. Comparative, cell phones are most reliable than landline phones. Landline phones are not as reliable as cell phones. Positive. So we have to rewrite the sentences given below by changing the degree of comparison. So it is given in positive, we have to change it. Amitabh Bachchan is the most versatile Indian actor. Is the most. The answer will be Amitabh Bachchan is more versatile than any other Indian actor. Switzerland is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Switzerland is more beautiful than most other countries in the world. Mrs. Adhikari is one of the most popular teachers in our school. Mrs. Adhikari is more popular than most other teachers in our school. January is the coldest month in India. January is colder than any other month in India. She is not so good a singer as a dancer. She is a better singer than a dancer. So, okay, now from simple to complex, she gratefully accepted her defeat. She gracefully accepted that she has been defeated. So there are certain rules that we can use like that, which, what, because, so, whether, if, then, although, so that. So these can be used here when we are changing from simple to complex. And complex to simple, there is another rule. So now let us complete according to the instruction. Change the following simple sentences to complex ones. Okay, India is certain to become a superpower in near future. India is certain that it will become a superpower in the near future. The offer was too tempting to resist. The offer was so tempting that it would not be resisted. In spite of having a very good theme, the movie failed to impress. Although the movie had a very good theme, it failed to impress. They launched a publicity campaign to popularize their goods. They launched a publicity campaign where they can popularize their goods. My parents were delighted to hear the news of my promotion. My parents were delighted when they heard the news of my promotion. The game show of KBC, anchored by Amitabh Bachchan, proved to be a great success. The game show KBC, which was anchored by Amitabh Bachchan, proved to be a great success. But for the wholehearted support of my parents, I would not have become the Indian Idol. I have become the Indian Idol because of the wholehearted support of my parents. Now from complex to simple. I am responsible for what I do. I am responsible for my deed. He wanted to know why he had been dismissed. He wanted to know the reason of his dismissal. Those who live in glass houses should not throw stones at others. The dwellers of the glass houses should not throw stones at others. He stayed at home because he was ill. He stayed at home because of his illness. Although she had a decent score, she could not get admission to a good college. In spite of having a decent score, she could not get admission in a good college. Admission to a good college. Even if you are very careful, you are likely to make mistakes at times. Despite being very careful, you are likely to make mistakes at times. These proposals cannot be implemented only until the chairman accepts them. These proposals cannot be implemented without the chairman's acceptance. Now from simple to compound. Okay, from simple to compound we can use like but, and, so, for, or other conjunctions belonging to the same family. Okay, so let us begin. Being satisfied with my progress, Papa bought me a cricket kit. Papa was satisfied with my progress, so he bought me a cricket kit. Besides writing the screenplay, he directed the movie also. He not only wrote the screenplay but gave direction to the movie also. In spite of losing the two openers early, our team put up a fighting total. Our team lost the two openers, but it put up a fighting total. With all her experience, she is not able to control the class. She has all the experience, but she is not able to control the class. He became popular because of his politeness. He became popular for he was polite. You need to improve your voice control in order to win the competition. Either you improve your voice control or you will lose the competition. You must control your diet to avoid putting on weight. You must control your diet or you will put on weight. Now from compound to simple. They have treated me unfairly, yet I have not complained. In spite of treating me unfairly, I have not complained against them. The spring was late to arrive and the garden was wearing a deserted look. The spring being late to arrive, the garden was wearing a deserted look. I had not understood the lesson, so I requested the teacher to explain it again. Having not understood the lesson, I requested the teacher to explain it again. I had no money, or I would have purchased the dress. I had no money to purchase the dress. The fox made several attempts, but he could not reach the grapes. In spite of making several attempts, the fox could not reach the grapes. This book is not only beautifully printed, but is free from mistakes also. Besides being beautifully printed, the book is free from mistakes also. The highway is wide and well maintained, and it is easy to reach Shimla. The highway being wide and well maintained, it is easy to reach Shimla. Now complex to compound. Complex, we know, like although is there, then as soon as is there, because as is there. So we have to change it from complex to compound by using still. In compound we can use still or and, as I said already, yet, but, so, something like that. Okay, so let us do this. Change the following from complex to compound. When I looked up, I saw an old lady standing near me. I looked up and saw an old lady standing near me. Although Mr. Kapoor was well off, he led a simple life. Mr. Kapoor was well off, but he led a simple life. Or you can write, still he led a simple life. If you spread rumors, you will be arrested. Stop spreading rumors, or you will get arrested. I switched on the TV so that I might get the latest news. I switched on the TV for I get the latest news. Or you can write, for I get the latest news can be done. He missed the opportunity that he had got. He had got the opportunity, but he missed it. If he had got the MRI test done, the problem would have been detected. Let him get the MRI test done so that the problem might get detected. Although she lost the match, she was not disgraced. She lost the match but was not disgraced. Poor as he is not dishonest. He is poor but not dishonest. Now compound to complex. You have to supply the goods on credit or we will not place the order with you. We will not place the order with you unless you supply the goods on credit. It was a serious accident but it did not cause much damage. Although it was a serious accident, it did not cause much damage. Nobody is going to hurt you, so you don't be afraid. Don't be afraid as nobody is going to hurt you. Leave me alone and I will do the work much better. If you leave me alone, I will do the work much better. I used the nasal spray and I immediately felt relieved. I felt relieved as soon as I used the nasal spray. He is over 70 and he is quite hale and hearty. He is quite hale and hearty although he is over 70. Our English teacher appears to be strict, but she is gentle at heart. Our English teacher appears to be strict, whereas or although she is gentle at heart. Let me finish the book. I shall return it. I shall return the book as soon as I finish it. Now transform the sentences as directed. So the instruction is given in the brackets. Everyone encouraged her to compete. Change to an interrogative. Okay. Who has not encouraged her to compete? He is too polite to offend anybody. Remove to. He is so polite that he cannot offend anybody. Very few cities are as polluted as Delhi. Delhi is more polluted than many other cities. How sad was the sight of the deserted city? Write an assertive sentence. The sight of the deserted city was very sad. He succeeded in everything that he attempted. Whereas as negative. Okay, write as a negative. So he failed in nothing that he attempted. She was undoubtedly a competent worker. It is certain that she is a competent worker. She danced as if she were a professional dancer. Simple sentence. She danced like a professional dancer. So here ends all the exercises. Total 16 exercises we have discussed. I think you will be able to write now without making any mistakes. Still, if you have any query, please do write to me. I'll try to solve all of your problems. Meet in the next class with a new chapter, and till then, take care of yourself. Have a happy and hearty day ahead, and just take care. Bye bye.